This know-how video will provide instructions on how to install AhsayCBS using Docker on a QNAP NAS. The following are the QNAP NAS requirement: 64-bit x86-based NAS, 4 GB or above memory, QTS 4.2.6 or above, or QUTS Hero H4.5.0 or above. Log into QTS or QNAP's web interface. Container Station installation. Open App Center. From Utilities or QTS Essentials, search for Container Station. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Using Container Station. After the installation is complete, click the shortcut icon on the main menu. The first time the Container Station is used, it will ask for a default folder to store images and containers. Select your preferred folder and click Start Now. Select Yes in Data Collection Agreement prompt. The Container Station is now ready. On File Station, you can see that a container folder with subfolders are created. Using the SSH tool like PuTTY, open or access QNAP. Log in with username and password. Create new folder for CBS data. Use the following command. Verify that CBS folder is created by checking in the File Station. Take note, make sure to create CBS folder in a shared folder to view the data inside that will be created once Docker CBS is installed. Pull image from Docker Hub. To see the full list of Docker images for AhsayCBS, check the link in the description below. This is the site where the Docker images are stored, shared, and distributed. Here, you can select what image to copy and pull to create a Docker container. You can select what CBS version to install from the list. For testing purpose, use an image with internal in the name, which includes testing license server host record. Those named with latest will install the latest CBS version available. From the selected image you want, click Copy to copy the command to pull the image. Using PuTTY, right-click to paste the command, then hit Enter. Wait for the pull to complete. The image is now added in Images tab of Container Station. To create the container, use the following command. Take note, for the container name, assign a container name you want. Optional IP. If you don't add the IP, it will use the QNAP IP. HTTP port. You can assign any port, but make sure the port you will use is available and not yet used by another service or container. Use the CBS folder path previously created to store the local folders. The AhsayCBS Docker Hub account, project name, and image tag can be found here. Take note, the local server's folder structure for the above sample will automatically create and clone the default configuration if it does not exist, or it will use the existing folder and configuration file. In Container Station, go to Containers and check if the container is created and running. To check Docker status, use the following command. Access CBS in web browser. Open a web browser and input the QNAP IP address with the assigned port in the URL. Stopping and starting the container. Use the following command to stop a container. In Container Station, the Docker is in stopped status and can see that in Logs section, the CBS service is stopped. Use the following command to start a container. In Container Station, the Docker is in running status and can see that in Logs section, the CBS service is running. To recreate the container, stop the container, remove the container, then use the following command. Take note, port 80 is for HTTP and port 443 is for HTTPS. Use a different port number or unused port, for example, 808280, 8444443 to recreate the container. Use the same path you used during the initial creation of the container. You can either use the same CBS container name or assign a new CBS container name. Access the CBS server successfully with a new port. To install AhsayCBS on Docker for Windows or Linux, click the link in the description below.